Hello everyone, back again with Order and Chaos. My beautiful cousin Apurva and Vishali.
Hi.
For those who don't know, technically they are my cousins, though they are nearly 2 decades younger than me, more than 2 decades, because they are my youngest uncle's daughters. So now, we all think about a question in our life, right? What question is it I am going to tell you? The question that baffled Adi Shankaracharya, Sri Adi Shankaracharya and many seers in the past. What is life? What is universe? What is everything? This is a question that we all ask at some point or the other in our lives, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yes, at some point we think,
Yeah.
what is life? What is this universe? What is everything?
Exactly. Yes.
We try to find answers. But before that, before we get to solutions and answers, I told you there is order in chaos. Whatever happens in our life has a reason for happening. Right?
Yes. So true.
So, even with money, we are going to do something with currencies here. I have got all Indian currencies here, mix and match. I am going to do something with the currencies. I'll come to it later.
Okay.
Before we start the chaos, as you know, in any financial report or study, we do quarter-wise study, right?
Yes.
Quarter means in a year. If you take a whole year, we take first quarter, second quarter,
Yes.
third quarter,
Every
fourth
3
quarter.
months.
Every 3 months. That is totally 4 times.
4 times.
So you'll be getting 4 random choices in the end.
Okay.
Okay, in the end. But before that, I've got a lot of currencies here. I don't want you to select the currency by looking at it. Maybe you'll be influenced by the denomination or you'll be influenced by the color. So I don't want you to do that. So before even we start, I'm just going to place some currencies here. Okay. Whenever you feel like stopping, you can tell me to stop.
Okay.
Just see to that I don't finish the whole stuff here because you got to mix it again.
Stop.
Okay? Oh, both of you said. Okay, good. Okay. So, with this,
Yeah.
right? So now, Vishali,
Yeah.
okay. If I place currency from here, you can tell me to place one currency or 2 currencies, so you can say, no need, your choice.
Okay. 2.
2. No choice is yours. 1, 2, 3 or
3.
3, okay. Okay. Choice is yours. No.
2.
Okay. Choice is yours.
1. 3.
3, okay.
2. Never say no to currency, so 1.
Oh, good. That's nice.
No.
No. She's not greedy, okay?
1.
1. But I like your principle. Never say no to currency. Yeah, please.
1.
1.
1. 1.
See, this is the last one here, so there's no other choice. So I
Yeah.
need not ask you. I'm just going to place.
Yeah.
Now. In the, I told you 4 quarters, right?
Yeah.
4 quarters.
Yes.
So you will get 2 quarters, she will get 2 quarters.
Okay.
So before that, the first question only one of you will get. Choice. Who wants to go for the choice? You or you?
Vishali.
Vishali. Oh, you said Vishali and she said
Yeah.
yes. Okay. So we have mixed the currencies. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's random. We don't know the particular order. We don't
Okay.
want to know also.
Okay.
So I want you to make a decision. Whether you want me to use it as it is or you want me to turn the whole thing over and use. Your choice.
Turn the whole thing over and use.
Oh, good. So we'll turn the whole thing over and use. Okay. First quarter, Apurva. For you.
Okay.
Okay. Second quarter is for you.
Okay.
Third quarter for you. Fourth quarter is for you. One thing here or there can definitely change the whole result that we get here, right? So we are not bothered about that.
Okay.
Forget this. So, can you see all this?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So what is the total here? Believe me when I say this is the answer.
30 to 42.
42.
Yeah. 42.
Okay, 10 plus 10, 20, 2, 20, 42. I told you this is the answer. You are wondering what?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the answer? What is so big about this? What is this? Okay, I'll tell you one more quotation.
Okay.
Most probably your generation will be the generation that will have the wealth of information but die due to lack of knowledge.
Yeah. Can't
This is a
deny.
very famous
Yeah.
quote, right?
Yes.
You know why?
True.
Because you always depend on Google.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
your mobile has net
Yep.
connection.
Yep.
You have got go to Google search.
Okay.
We got this answer 42, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to type
Okay.
what is
Okay.
42 numbers.
Okay.
42.
Hmm.
Answer 2.
Okay. You want me to type the exact thing?
Yes, what is 42? Answer 2. TO.
Answer T O. Okay.
Answer 2. Press enter.
Okay.
You got something on it?
It's taking time. Yeah, it says the number 42 is the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. The answer to ultimate question of life, the universe. Give me a minute.
Yeah, you can open it.
Yeah, it's taking time. And the page is gone. Give me a minute. Page is gone.
But I think you already read the main
Yeah,
part.
it says it's the answer to the universe.
Answer to what is?
The page is gone. It only shows in terms of numbers. Okay, let me see it in science.
For those of you who are watching, you can Google search and type what is 42 answer to.
It says many things.
Just the first thing that you can see.
Yeah, so it is the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything, calculated by an enormous supercomputer named
Did
Deep
you-
Thought.
Did you get what we started with?
Yes.
Okay. No other number can get you this.
Yes.
Except
Okay.
42. It's
Money is a necessary evil. We all need money, so please don't hate money.
Yes.
Okay. At the same time, I am sure you girls will definitely
Yeah.
enjoy this, right?
Yes.
It's
It's really good.
really good.
So it's your choice. And thank you for being a wonderful audience. Hopefully we meet again next week.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.